Hello and welcome to day 3 of this year's 2022 Advent Calendar build. We are doing the Guardians of the Galaxy this year, and we've already done day 1, which was Star-Lord minifig, just here. And we've done day 2, which was the tape deck, and just a Christmas gift is what I'm going to call it. Maybe something else, but there's a bunch of accessories in this kit apparently, and may not know what they're all meant to be. But anyway, day 3. So here we have day 3 up here. Let's open it up. This looks like might be a glider of some nature. Some sort of transportation. All right, let's see how we go putting this together. Might be best to start from the top. There meant to be 2 of those. I think there is. There we are. And then that goes on to Okay. I think I know. I think. I have a feeling that will go on there. That one will join. We have 2 light pieces at the front. Then we have these bits out here. I think it goes on the bottom of that. And that will have, I'm going to suggest these here. And then out to the side, I think I'm on the right path with this. Yes, and then these go in here. And that comes in here. And there's our little device of some nature. And then we have a couple of pieces left over. So there we have day 3. What would that be? Maybe it's a drone? Quite possibly a drone. All right, if you know what this is meant to be, then let me know in the comments. So that's it for day 3. Day 4 will be on Sunday. Bye for now.